What if mercy had the power to heal every broken heart? Once upon a midnight storm, a weary traveler stumbled through the rain, weighed down by regret and fear. His hands shook as he recalled every mistake, every harsh word he wished he could erase. Just then, a gentle light appeared, not to judge, but to embrace. "Come," a whisper called, "let me carry your burden." At that moment, the traveler realized mercy isn't a reward for the perfect. It's a gift given to the imperfect. God's mercy fell like soft rain, washing away shame, planting seeds of hope in barren souls. It poured out for the thief on the cross, for the doubter in the crowd, for the child who shattered her mother's favorite vase. Today, let mercy guide your steps. Choose compassion over condemnation. Offer forgiveness without expecting repayment. Because when mercy speaks, it echoes in eternity, reminding us we are loved beyond measure. In a world starving for kindness, be the voice that says, "You are free."